Welcome friends to Medical Concepts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can be receiving the updates. So today we are going to talk about blood typing. Okay, so blood typing, it is grouped into two systems. There is ABO system and Rh system. So under ABO system, blood can be grouped into four groups. There is group A, group B, group AB, and group O. So what determines the blood group is the absence and the presence of the antigen. Okay, so let's say if the red blood cells as the A antigen, this can be as blood group A. Then if the red blood cells as the B antigen, then the blood group can be referred to as blood group B. Then if the red blood cells as A, B antigen, then this type of blood group, it is AB. Okay, now what of blood group O? Blood group O, it doesn't have any antigen. So when the red blood cells do not have any antigen, that blood group is grouped as group O antigen. Then what of Rh system? Which rule does it follow? Rh antigen, it can be classified either Rh positive or Rh negative. Okay, Rh positive and Rh negative. So what makes the Rh to be positive? It is the presence of Rh antigen. This means that if the red blood cells doesn't have the Rh antigen, that blood group is considered to be Rh negative. Okay, so here let's say a person's red blood cell has A antigen and the Rh positive. So meaning the blood type of that person, it is A positive. Okay, A positive. Then if the red blood cells of that person doesn't have the Rh antigen, okay, so meaning the blood group of that person is A negative. Okay, so a person can have any of these blood group, which can be either positive or negative. So any of these blood group types, which can be either negative or positive, it can be blood group A positive or B or negative. It can be blood group B positive or negative, or it can be blood group AB positive or negative, or it can be blood group O, which can be positive or negative. So remember, when there is the absence of Rh antigen, meaning that is Rh negative, a person with blood group A can receive blood group A. Okay, this person with this blood group A can't receive blood from blood group B. No, can't receive. Then a person with blood group B can only receive blood from blood group B as well. Okay. Then, what of AB? Can it only receive blood from AB? No. AB, it is referred to as the universal recipient, meaning it can receive blood from a person with blood group A, blood group B, blood group A, B, and blood group O. So this AB, it is the universal recipient. What about O? O, simply because it doesn't have any antigen, it cannot receive blood from any blood group apart from itself. So meaning a person with blood group O can only receive blood from a person with blood group O. So these arrows are just showing that AB, it is the universal recipient. Okay, it can receive to any blood group. Then O, it is showing that it is the universal donor, which can give to any. Now remember, I talked about the Rh positive and the Rh negative, and each blood group type can be either positive or negative. So what you need to know about Rh is that Rh negative can give to both a person with Rh positive and a person with a blood group type P, which is Rh negative. So Rh negative, it is considered to be the universal donor. Okay. Then Rh positive can only give to Rh positive. Rh positive can't give to Rh negative. Or negative, it is the universal donor. Why? Because this negative, just the Rh, it can give to both positive and negative. And in ABO system, O, it is the universal donor. So when you combine the two, this forms the absolute universal donor, which is O negative. Okay, then what about the Rh positive? Rh positive can only give to Rh positive. Okay, it can't give the Rh negative. So A, B negative, A, B positive. So between the two, which one do you think is the universal recipient between AB negative and AB positive? It is definitely AB positive. How? Because here AB positive, this one, the Rh positive, can be given, can receive the Rh positive. Similarly here, Rh positive can also receive from the Rh negative. So meaning the absolute universal recipient, it's AB positive, not AB negative. A positive can't give a negative. A positive can only give A positive. What of A negative? Can it give a positive? Yes, it can. So this is the correct match. But when you give A positive to A negative, this can't match. As a result, it can cause agglutination Okay, after agglutination then can cause hemolytic anemia. Yes, so this is very much important in blood transfusion, considering the RH and also the ABO system. Okay friends, let's now just try to solve these questions. Okay, imagine a person has this blood group type. Okay, so this is the donor. Let's assume this is the donor. Okay, then recipient. Okay, so to what person's blood group can this donor give its blood type? So this, we go to this key here. We know that positive can only give to positive. Okay, so I'm going to say a positive here, no negative. Then this AB, okay, can only give to AB. It can't give A, it can't give B. So this donor can only give to A, B positive. Okay. What about this donor with O negative? This donor with O negative, remember we come here. O negative, it is the universal donor, meaning it can give it to both A negative, A positive, B negative, B positive, A, B negative, A, B positive, and also to itself, which is O negative and O positive. So we follow this. What of O positive? This is the donor. What blood type of the recipients which can receive this? Remember, we go here positive to positive only. So O can only give to A positive, B positive, and again A, B positive, and O positive only. So this can't include the RH negative groups. Okay, what of A negative? Again, A can give to A positive, A negative, A B negative, and A B positive. Because why? Negative can give to both positive and negative. So since this is A, can give to A, okay? A has got A antigen. So it can also give to AB, because in AB there is what? A antigen there. Okay. So what of A positive? So A positive can only give to A positive, but it can't give to A negative. And A B positive. What of A? What of B positive? B positive can give only to positives, which is B positive and A B positive. It can't give to AB negative or B negative. What of B negative? It can give to both positives and negatives. Now, what are those groups specifically? It is B negative, B positive, A B positive, then A B negative. What of AB? Okay, AB negative, let's write from here. So AB negative can give the AB positive and AB negative. Remember, it's a negative. Thank you so much, guys, for paying attention to this explanation. Make sure you subscribe and also share the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much.